Alright, so I'm on Rivas. I just left Ometepe Island this morning, got up at 4:45 a.m. Now I'm on a bus that's going to the border, which is not too far, but I'm in a rush because I will try to go to San Jose tonight. I don't have a hostel in San Jose, and I have to get some stuff done before it gets dark in San Jose. So I'm really in a rush, and I don't think I will hitchhike today. So the bus from Rivas is only $1 to the border. I hope the bus leaves soon. It's empty right now. Anyways, so that's the last you will see of me in Nicaragua. The next video is gonna be showing you how to walk across the border from Nicaragua to Costa Rica. Alright, so this video is gonna show you how to walk across the border from Nicaragua to Costa Rica. I'm at the border crossing of Peñas Blancas. It's the same name on the Costa Rican side too. So this is where I came from. And it's the longest line of trucks that I might have ever seen in my whole life, waiting at the border. So it's been at least 10-15 kilometers of just trucks waiting. So if you hitchhike, keep in mind the truck will stop 10-15 kilometers away, just in line. And for the cars, it just takes longer to come by. So as soon as you come here, the buses stop right here if you take the bus. The bus is 30, so it's $1 to get from Rivas to here. And you see people are here trying to sell you immigration papers. I've been to a lot of border crossings. There's no border crossing in the world where you have to buy immigration papers from people on the street. It doesn't exist. Just ignore them. Go to the border here, and I'll show you the details.
Liberia, San Jose.
Alright, so I think I'm the no man's land right now. I just got 2 pieces of paper, a little piece of paper for paying $1, and then I had to pay $2 to get out of the country. They only accept US dollars. You cannot pay 60 Cordobas, so I didn't have any change. Some other travelers hooked me up. I'm gonna pay them back as soon as I'm on the other side of the border. So just make sure to have 2 singles, or they will try to give you Cordobas back. What you're gonna do with $18 and change when you live in the country. So let's go through the no man's land. San Jose.
Do you have you already know how to get there?
No. Usually I hitchhike, but I'm kind of in a rush today because I have to get stuff done before the shops close in San Jose. So I hope to get a bus.
You hitchhike a lot?
Yeah.
Yeah. You probably start doing that more.
Alright, one more checkpoint, and now I'm in the Costa Rican part of the no man's land. I still have to get stamped in Costa Rica, but you can see the first time hit like in Costa Rica. I'm gonna show you. Alright, so a little bit more busy on the Costa Rican side. There's an ATM right here, so you can get Costa Rican and probably US dollars. Sorry, just avoid the money changers anywhere you go in the world. It's a rip-off. You never get a good deal. Just ignore them. So I finally entered Costa Rica, and it takes at least 45 minutes to an hour to make it from Nicaragua for the line over here. And you need proof of onward travel. And I read online that they're kind of like, they just check randomly. They check every single person, and they really want to see a real printout. Most people show email confirmation on the phone, like a screenshot or whatever, and they really look at the details. So be prepared to have something. And I didn't have to pay anything to get into Costa Rica, but I think it might be, I think it's $12 to leave Costa Rica for Panama, but I'm gonna see about that later. So because I'm in a hurry to go to San Jose today, and it's a 6-hour ride. I just bought a bus ticket right here, and the bus ticket is $8. It's gonna take me to downtown San Jose. I still have a lot of stuff to do. I hope I get to do everything today, and I don't even have anything booked in the city. So yeah, this is a border crossing. It takes a while, but by the end of the day, it's pretty straightforward.